Hello everyone, welcome to the world of prompt engineering. As I discussed in my previous video that I have devised a method or a framework to decode the prompt engineering, which I named as AI of prompt engineering, where AI means the alphabets from A to I. Now in this video I'll be explaining you the meaning of alphabet A in AI of prompt engineering. So A basically stands for act as a, which is nothing but role. That means whenever you are creating your prompt, you have to define a role to LLM or large language models before you actually shoots your query. And A also stands for audience. That means you have to also define your target audience. So whenever you are writing your prompts, you have to define a particular role to LLM, as well as you have to define the target audience for the particular query that you are shooting. So let's take an example. So this is ChatGPT. Let's say I want to generate the high level learning path for Gen AI. So how will I start writing my prompt? As I said, A stands for act as a. So I will start writing my prompt something like this. So if you can see closely, I have defined a role to LLM as well as I have defined the target audience before I am actually writing my prompt. So what is the role that I have defined here? It is Gen AI expert and instructor. And what's the target audience? It is Gen AI learners. So I have taken care of A part in AI of prompt engineering. Now as a next step, I will actually put my query. Design a learning path for Gen AI. So when I'll send this prompt to LLM, it will generate me a more meaningful output. You can see it has generated Gen AI learning path for learners. It came up with well-crafted output with every stage of learning: stage 1 foundation of Gen AI, prompt engineering mastery, LLM in action, RAG, agentic AI, evaluation and guardrails, deployment and scaling, and so on. So when I was talking about A in AI of prompt engineering, it basically means that you have to assign a role to LLM as well as you have to define your target audience. So this is the quick video on A of prompt engineering.